Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone settings, and in today's video I will show you how to save your Android phone battery by turning on some of important settings on your Android phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your phone settings. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on search. Then go ahead and type in battery. Then hit on search. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and look for adaptive battery. Go ahead and click on that. So here we go. All this button right here, the first one here is that power saving management for apps. Intelligent manage background apps to reduce power consumption. Turn on this particular intelligence button right here to reduce power consumption in the background of your app. Next, short video optimization. Turn on this button. Just like so. Lastly, go ahead and turn on this particular button also. Detect power usage by app to improve battery efficiency. This button also needs to be turned on. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and optimize battery for every app. For that, go ahead and click on battery optimization right here. Then here you go. You have all apps under battery optimized, not optimized right here. So for you to see battery that are optimized, go ahead and click on optimize right here. Click on all apps. Then you have all apps right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see all the apps you have on your PC. However, if there are some of the apps that are not being optimized for battery consumption, go ahead and click on it. For instance, go ahead and this Chrome right here, optimize battery use. Go ahead and click on it. Then here you can see optimize battery use. Recommended for better battery life. Make sure you optimize and click on done right here. If you find out any app right here are not being optimized, what you need to do is to make sure you optimize them to improve the battery efficiency. So for that, go back to all apps right here. Go ahead and click on not optimized. This will give you some of the apps that are not optimized. Then from here, you can check on them and then make sure you optimize them. However, not every app right here can be optimized, but anyone that is optimized right here, go ahead and optimize them. Like for instance, phone service right here, go ahead and click on phone service and make sure you switch to optimize battery and go ahead and click on done right here. You can go on and review as many as possible. Mostly right here, click on that, optimize for better battery use, click on done. Then you can go on and review as many as possible app right here to optimize them for a better battery life. Lastly, go back right here and then make sure you go ahead and turn on battery saver right here. So go ahead and click on here and then it's take you right here. Then go ahead and make sure you click on turn this particular button on right here. That is battery saver. It's that simple. These are some of the great buttons you need to turn on right now to maintain a good battery life on your Android phone. For more useful tutorial about how best to use your Android devices, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.